Welcome to CloudGarden Store. Introducing CloudGarden C Zyme Liquid Fertilizer, 100% natural seaweed extract made from organic seaweed, providing essential nutrients and hormones to promote healthier plant growth. Boosts root development, encourages strong root formation, leading to healthier plants and better nutrient absorption for increased growth. Enhances crop yield, helps improve the quality and quantity of fruits, vegetables, and flowers, delivering bountiful harvests. Multi-purpose fertilizer, ideal for all types of plants, including vegetables, flowers, herbs, and shrubs, suitable for indoor and outdoor gardening. Organic and eco-friendly, free from harmful chemicals, safe for use in organic farming, and environmentally friendly for sustainable gardening. Improves soil health, enhances soil structure and microbial activity, boosting overall plant health and resilience. Easy to use. Simply dilute in water and apply directly to the soil or foliage for hassle-free feeding. Versatile application. Can be used on potted plants, lawns, garden beds, and hydroponic systems for consistent plant nourishment. Thank you for choosing CloudGarden. We're grateful to support your love for gardening. Your trust in our products inspires us to keep bringing the best for your plants. Happy gardening from the CloudGarden family.